In front of me is OPPO A5x, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app. Now use this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, tap on the middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one. And to add a photo mark, on the right one. Now take a pic. To add it, select this check mark on the right. And to discard it, this X on the left. To discard your recording completely, hit cancel at the top left corner. To end it and save it, hit save at the top right corner. Then name it and tap on save in the pop-up. As you can see, my recording was successfully created. To play it, click on it. To manage it, use all of those options at the bottom and those ones at the top right corner. You can also go back, hold your recording over here and operate all of those at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!